The fuel planning section on the flight's view makes it easier to switch between fuel policies and update target values for fast and accurate scenario planning. Fuel load planning is available with ForeFlight Performance subscription plans. The fuel policy selector is still available as before, but the fuel table below is reorganized with new options for adjusting fuel quantities. Start Fuel is now at the top and has buttons for quickly selecting the two most common fuel policies, minimum and maximum fuel. You can also tap directly on the start fuel value to enter manual fuel amount. ForeFlight automatically recalculates the performance results anytime you make a change. The expandable flight fuel and fuel at landing sections are below. As before, you can tap on the values for taxi fuel and reserve fuel to change them from the aircraft's default values. Tap the value for fuel at landing and enter an amount to change the fuel policy to landing fuel. ForeFlight will then calculate how much start fuel you need to land with that amount. Change the value for extra fuel to specify an additional amount of fuel to be carried beyond the minimum required. ForeFlight will again update the start fuel based on the change. ForeFlight will alert you if a starting fuel amount isn't enough to meet the reserve quantity or the flight itself, and provides other alerts like weight checks and top-of-climb cruise capability checks. This refined fuel interface makes it faster and easier to get accurate performance calculations based on changes to a flight's fuel requirements.